I'm going to show you how to fix Easy Anti-Cheat in Fortnite. So let's start. For the first step, make sure to go to this Windows taskbar. You can see this upside arrow. You need to click it. After that, if you do find Epic Games Launcher is appearing right here, right click on it and select Exit. Wait for a couple of moments. After that, go to this Windows icon, go to Settings. After that, go to the left menu and select Windows Update. From here, you need to ensure that you have downloaded the latest Windows updates, so click on Download and Install All. If you do have failed updates for some reason, select Retry All. After that, go to your Epic Games Launcher, right click on it and select Run as an administrator. Wait for it to open. After that, go to your library and then search for Fortnite. Once done, click on these three dots appearing under the picture. You will see this manage option appearing, so you need to click it. You will have that only when you have the game is installed. What you just need to do is to click on this verify button, and any corrupted or missing file that is responsible for the anti-cheat not installing will be safely recovered without the need to install the game and download it from the start. And that's it. If you do find this video is helpful, consider subscribe and like the video, share it if you want, and see you on the next one.